In the crisp brightness of a new day, Arian, a boy with a newfound glowing power, sat up excitedly. His heart buzzed with the eagerness to spread the warmth of kindness wherever he could. "I will spread kindness everywhere," he exclaimed, his eyes alight with optimism. Just then, a curious, melodic tinkling drifted into his room through the open window. "What's that?" Arian muttered, inching closer to the windowsill. To his immense surprise, a tiny figure floated before him, a kindness fairy, sparkling amidst the pale sunlight. With a gentle voice, she addressed him, "Hello, Superboy. There's a special city that needs your help." Arian listened intently as the fairy explained how the city of kindness had dulled and lost its light because people had stopped helping each other. "I must go and help," he resolved determinedly. The fairy, nodding, handed him a gleaming kindness compass. "Follow the glow, Superboy," she instructed. His first destination was a chaotic playground cluttered with scattered toys and untidy patches everywhere. Arian clapped his hands and rallied the children. "Let's clean it together," he encouraged. "Yay, teamwork," chimed the children, diving into the task with eager energy. Having put the playground back in order, Arian moved on. He then encountered a lonely boy, sitting by himself, head bowed. "Wanna play with me?" Arian offered with a warm smile. "Really?" "Thank you," the boy whispered, grateful for the company. Next, in the bustling market with vendors calling out and people rushing about, an elderly man lost grip of his bag and watched helplessly as fruits rolled away. "Don't worry, I'll help," said Arian, effortlessly managing to collect every runaway fruit. The old man patted his shoulder. "You're a real hero," he said appreciatively. On his journey, Arian also spotted a small bird tangled in a tree branch. "Hold on, little friend," Arian tenderly comforted as he freed the fluttering bird.
"Tweet, tweet. Thank you," the bird chirped happily, flapping its wings in freedom. With each good deed, the kindness compass hummed with life, glowing brighter under the influence of altruism.
"Kindness makes the world shine," beamed Arian, every inch the joyful hero. Finally, reaching the core of the city of kindness, the air seemed to sparkle again. "You did it, Superboy," the fairy applauded, reappearing by his side. The city's heartbeat resumed its rhythm, a bustling hub of generosity and goodwill. The city was glowing again. And Arian learned, even small acts of kindness create big magic, the fairy narrated. So did Arian, standing tall and proud in the midst of the vibrant city, spread his arms wide and declared, "Let's make every city a city of kindness." This is not merely a story of small gestures but a timeless reminder for young minds: help others without being asked. Include everyone. Be kind even to the smallest creatures. Understand that even small actions lead to significant transformations. True heroes exhibit kindness every day. With a joyous heart and a smile, Arian became an emblem of what it really meant to be a hero. Where the power of kindness could make the most ordinary days glow with extraordinary brightness.